Hi guys, welcome back. Maddy and Jimmy here.
Oh, we are so excited to be back, Jimmy. I'm pumped.
I'm pumped too.
Really pumped. Before we kick off today's video, please like this video and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done so.
If you haven't already. If you already have, then you don't have any homework. Well done.
Awesome.
Good times. Guys, we're so sorry that we haven't put up a video for quite some time. However, you guys haven't stopped with the emails coming in and we are so thankful. All your pictures, all of your great letters. Thank you so much.
Oh, we are pumped, Jimmy. I love them. I love jumping into our email and reading them.
You actually jump into our email?
I jump right in. I dive right into the keyboard.
That sounds exciting and dangerous.
It's incredibly exciting. A huge shout out to Harrison. Thank you so much for your email.
Thanks, mate.
Grace sent me some great photos, or sent us rather, some awesome photos of her Christmas briquettes from Christmas.
Oh,
Jimmy.
they're incredible.
So cool.
You should work for Lego. You're incredible.
She's amazing. More pictures actually came from Zoe and Dan, who won our challenge, Jimmy, the Find Us, our mini us in Legoland.
Yeah, they are master builders and master hunters because they found us. And of course, Abby, thank you so much for sending us so many emails saying, when are the next videos? Well, guess what? Here they are.
Right here, right now.
Thanks for keeping us honest though, Abby.
Thank you so much, Abby. But yeah, we are so excited to be back, Jimmy. It's awesome.
Now, there is a reason why we haven't been doing that many videos, and it's a good reason, okay? We have been working on a very exciting, top secret, but not really top secret at all because we want to tell everyone. We are doing a live comedy show featuring Maddy and Jimmy, because that'd be weird if it wasn't us, just someone else pretending
really
to be us. Who would play you?
Ooh, that is a very good question. What if you played me and I played you?
I would love it.
That'd be kind of weird.
Maybe we'll do that in the
Maybe
show.
we'll do that.
But guys, we are doing a show and it is called Maddy and Jimmy and the Brick of Destiny. Wow, I can't believe we got that first time. Definitely didn't have to rehearse that heaps.
So if you happen to be in Melbourne around the school holidays between March the 28th and April the 12th at 11:15 a.m, you can come and see us at the Melbourne Town Hall. We're even going to have the link to the tickets in this video, aren't we, Jimmy?
Wow, that is so futuristic. Guys, it's going to be so exciting. Bring mum, bring dad. It's for ages, I think, 5 to 99. So if you're 100 years old, look, just come anyway. Just come anyway. It's going to be great. It's got, what has it got? It's got evil animated minifigs. It's got
crazy portals into other dimensions.
Yeah, it's got spaceships. It's got live Lego building competitions. It's got wizards. I'm pretty sure there's a dinosaur or a dragon in there. It is going to be
amazing.
So fun. So make sure you hit the link. Grab some tickets, bring mum, bring dad, bring Nana. I don't think you can bring animals.
It's a shame, but you know what? Maybe next time.
Maybe next time. We'll do it outside in a park.
A puppy-friendly show.
Puppy-friendly. Oh, Chewbacca can come. Guys, we can't wait to see you at our show, Maddy and Jimmy and the Brick of Destiny.
Whip, 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 whip.